So these eyeshadows are like my all-time favorite. This is Peppa. I'm gonna put just all over my lids. I'm gonna just really get like a lot on my brush. It's like a very light to mid-tone shade, so you don't have to worry about like getting too much. Not gonna be like too crazy. So I'm just gonna pack this in onto my whole eyelid, and if you want to get like really pigmented, you're gonna want to stamp instead of sweep and then blending it up. So say you like really want the two-toned eyeshadow look, but you don't want a shimmer, you want a matte, just message me and tell me that, and I can recommend some colors for you that would be very similar to this. If you wanted like a brown or something else, just let me know. Now we're gonna take our light shimmer, the small end of the eyeshadow brush underneath my brow bone. Like Drift is my absolute favorite for doing this. I even use it as a highlighter sometimes, like down my nose and up here. So I absolutely love Drift. Like, as I said, these are all like my, and then that's your look. So that's a super simple way to get like a more elevated look. Like